My name is Gary Leroy, and I'm the founder of TaxProEZ. My primary focus is in providing tax representation for individuals and small businesses that are dealing with IRS debt. Many of my competitors charge large upfront fees before performing any analysis of their client's true situation. I take a different approach. It is impossible to determine a taxpayer's liability or their settlement options without a clear understanding of their debt and their financial position. That is why we use a multi-step approach to tax resolution with all of our fees quoted in advance of each step. Let me show you what I mean. We offer a common sense approach to tax resolution. Most taxpayers don't know what they don't know about tax resolution. They tend to underestimate their debt and underestimate their ability to pay. We follow a systematic approach to tax resolution based on a pay-as-you-go business model. Let's look at how our approach works. We begin with an initial engagement that starts off with discovery. This discovery process begins with an analysis of your tax transcripts to determine the scope and nature of your tax liability, along with your current tax compliance. We also gather financial data from you in order to properly understand your ability to meet your tax obligation. Then we do a thorough evaluation. Given your tax liability and your financial data, we can identify and recommend the appropriate settlement option or options to resolve your tax liability. Finally, we make a recommendation. The final determination of which settlement option to pursue is the taxpayer's. However, our job is to explain each of the options available and the strengths and weaknesses of each option. Then the taxpayer is in position to determine which, if any, strategy we should pursue. Many times our client will decide to pursue the strategy on their own with our guidance. The next step is our resolution engagement. The resolution engagement is a fixed fee arrangement based on the resolution strategy determined. Once again, our fees are stated and agreed upon before we move forward. In many situations, we might need to go to appeals. All resolution offers have the opportunity for an appeal. This is a separate engagement encounter. The determination of whether this is advisable is based on the nature of the rejection of the initial resolution strategy and any changes in the financial or personal issues that may affect the resolution offer. We would like to offer you a free 16-page document on the fundamentals and options for tax resolution. Simply complete the form below and we'll immediately send you this 16-page report.